Hello folks, so this morning me have some mango and this one is a little bit overripe, but me gonna use it in a good way because me gonna make mango juice. Yeah, can I say mango lemonade? Mango lemonade, mango juice, 6 and 1 half dozen of the other, right? I have some mango here, I have a lemon, I have a lime, and I also have some organic ginger from Melissa's Organic Ginger. You understand? So let's go, we're gonna make mango juice. I have my trusty blender here, guys. It's a plastic blender, it's not dirty. I just, the acid burn it and make it look so. All right, if you know any glass blender we're good like that one here, please let me know in the comments so I can get myself one. All right, so I'm gonna cut up the mango, peel the ginger, put it in the blender, squeeze in the lime, and we're good to go. Use a spoon and just scrape. Yeah, see that? And of course the ginger them properly washed. Yeah, them clean. Them ginger from Melissa Organic. Them very clean, guys. Very clean. And it's not the big tough ginger them we have a grey on the inside. Them ginger here look like real ginger. You understand? Especially if you're from Jamaica. I got these at Sprouts. I'm actually say I'm really happy with them. Alright, so you just pretty much use a spoon like so and scrape your ginger, and that way you don't dig into the ginger flesh and lose any of your ginger. See there? And you just keep scraping till you're comfortable. Now you peel the mango. Alright, you have to be careful with the mango, then you have to make sure say all these black spots and stuff is not really worm. You understand? So you have to peel the mango and then you cut him up and put him in the bowl with the ginger. Alright. So now just cut the flesh off the pit. And the flesh is what you're gonna use. Normally we call the wife and get the party because big man don't eat mango seed, you understand? We don't put none of them something in our mouth. You understand? We just make the party stay how it stay. Yeah, call the wife and get the party. You see me? Yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna blend our mango. Alright, so let's go. Put the mango and ginger in there and have a bottle of water. Add a bottle of water and I go blend. Before I put in my lime and thing, just blend. More blending and just finish up with this, and then I put my lime and my lemon. Now I'm going to put it on smoothie settings and make it run. I'm going to add a little bit more water. Now I have my lemon. I'm just going to cut it into half, put it in the juicer, squeeze out the juice. And just squeeze it hard, Get rid of that one. Put in the next one. Get rid of that one. Then I'm gonna cut my lime. Somebody said that can make it too tangy. Yes, that's what you want. Yeah, you want it to be really nice and tangy. You understand? Like lemon and like lime. The lemon carry a nice scent along with the flavor. Alright. So there is my lemon and my lime. And then I'm going to add it now to the blender. So my mango juice is properly blended. As you can see, we did not add any sugar. What we normally do is we add the sugar in the individual cups. If we're going to use sugar in your talk, because sometimes it's so sweet that you don't need to add sugar, guys. You can also use date. You can also use a little bit of honey. You can use a little bit of agave, but normally, in general, we don't add sugar to our drinks anymore. All right, so now I'm just going to strain it to get out all the little mango pulp or any little thing, you know, that is in there. So I'll just strain it now before we bottle it. There you go. Nice. It looks so good. It looks so good. All right, that down this one. And now we're gonna strain. So all the little pulp from the ginger, every little thing, all of that now is, you know, will be caught in the strainer. So you get the pure mango juice, you understand? Yeah, man. That's how we do it right on here. See the little pulp? Yeah, this is just like a refuge of what, you know, this would have been, you just probably try to drink the drinks and this would have been caught up in it. So that we get rid of by straining it. So this is the mango juice all strained and nice. Yeah, guys, my tell you say bad. And of course, I find one of my wholesome blue agave bottles with a little bit in the cupboard, and I also found this one with the allulose, and guys, I had to use it. The blue agave is low glycemic, and so it's really better than just using regular sugar. And of course, the allulose is a 0-calorie sweetener that they sell over there at Wholesome. You can run, go check, take it off of the shelf. Yeah, man, these two. And of course, as you can see, me finish it. Yes, man. Very refreshing, very cool. Yeah, you can enjoy a nice glass of mango juice. Yeah, as of the season for it, you know, mango season, you know, so you can definitely enjoy a glass of mango juice, guys. May I tell you the truth? Yeah, and of course, you know me for giving you the presentation. Turn it up a little bit. Turn it all the way up. Yes, man. There you have it, guys. My mango juice, fresh mango juice, and of course, it bad. Yeah, Yardie Belly TV. Follow me on YouTube for more such juice like this. And big up on yourself, manners and respect. You hear that? Yeah. Me no drink coffee, tea, mango time.